Good morning, futures traders. Today is Tuesday, October 18th. The time is 9:49, and welcome to the Funded Trader. We waited about 20 minutes after the open, and we are going to be using a NinjaTrader software strategy called ShopBot Pro Legend Series. We'll be trading the NinjaTrader 40-10 bar size, and we have our bot engaged for our first trade, so we'll wait and see what it does, and I'll be back when we have our first entry. We are trading an Apex account today.
Order submitted.
All right, we have our first order. Trading 3 contracts today. 2 on the first position, 1 for a runner. So when we hit our first profit target, we will hopefully get a runner here. So let's see what it does.
Order
All right,
filled.
we have our runner.
Order canceled.
And we'll just let this run. We'll shoot for 1,000, maybe 2,000 today. We are making a series of lower highs and lower lows, signifying it is a downward. All right, we just got stopped at our break even, and we'll wait for it to engage in another order.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right, we're now in our second runner of the day, second trade of the day, and we'll let this do its thing. I'm going to move my stop a tick or two below break even just to give it some room. We tend to have longer wicks on this first bar after to get the stop out. So let's see if we can avoid getting stopped out like we did here at break even. We'll see what happens. If not, we'll take a position short.
Order filled.
Alright, it looks like it still has some downward momentum to go, so it's okay. We'll see where we ended up when this bar closes to get the current P&L. Alright, so 565. Looks like we might pick up a short here. Let's see what happens. Again, we have lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Alright, we have our runner again.
Order canceled.
Let's see if we can avoid getting this stop and move our break-even target a little bit. Let's go right here. I may configure it so it is a -2 or 3 ticks. Alright. It did make another low, so another lower low slightly here.
Order submitted.
Alright, it immediately entered a long position. After it hit break even, the momentum was pretty fast as you saw, so let's see if we can push through our first target.
Order canceled.
All right, we hit our target. I just tightened it up a
Order
little bit.
filled.
Did make a lower low here. Let's see what this bar closes at and see our profit. We may want to call it a day here. It took us out with that wick, but that's okay. Again, break even. We're at 1,000, so I'm going to call it a day here. We hit our target of $1,000. So originally, I did a couple things before I started trading. I do trade live. Okay. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you the part of the account to show that this is not playback. We did have someone on Futures IO make a comment about that this is trading based on playback, right? So we can just turn it on whenever you know, the time is right based on the playback, and that's not true. So trading live, I did originally start my day looking at the NQ using Ripper X Black. I did not like the way that it was looking, so I switched to another automation strategy called ShopBot Pro, which we're looking at right now. I do have several accounts that I trade. I didn't like the price action on the NQ 25 bar size, so I decided not to trade it. I then moved over to the NQ 40 10 bar size using ShopBot Pro, and I hit my target. Again, I won't trade if the price action doesn't look the way that, you know, I like the way, you know, look, right? And I look for smooth waves up and down, smoother waves up and down. The chop, I avoid. So if you look at the 25 bar size, it was pretty choppy. So I do trade live. I am using this software strategy for about a little over a year now. I just purchased the ShopBot Pro, and I'm using that now. They are great tools to add to your strategy. They're not perfect. They do lose, as you have seen from some of my previous videos. Not everything's perfect, but if managed properly, these are great tools to add to your arsenal. Like I said, I shoot for between 1,000 and 3,000 a day, depending on the account size. I do have one large account that I do like to trade some larger contracts, but I do stay within my limits. So with that said, I'll call it a day. If you like what you see, like and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.